Any mention for unlisted matter? Any mention for unlisted matter? From supplementary list, item number 1.
This is a new matter.
Yes, my lord. My lord, if my lord recollect, we have filed number of RTIs. On the basis of the RTI, new information has come up, my lord. Well, my lord, a sister company of JAMA. Now, JAMA is not before this honorable court. Vaishno Devi is before this honorable court. It was shown by them, my lord, that X quantity of coal he has obtained in auction, my lord, and he has taken to Gasopara. Definitely, my lord, if those coal are exported or transported from there, that route, my lord, then it has to be way in the weighbridge. No record, my lord. Neither in neither in West Khasi Hills, that route, neither in West Delta Hills, my lord. That is our one of the grievances, my lord. The second grievance is this, my lord. JAMA, when they have exported coal, 170 metric ton from Assam to Gasopara, my lord, the checkpoint shows, my lord, 700 plus truck has entered. But when you file an RTI, in the RTI, my lord, they say they have no record. Whereas the law says, my lord, the rule which has been formulated as per the Meghalaya Motor Vehicle Act, my lord, the rule says that they have to maintain, my lord, the records. But they have said no, my lord. For that, my lord, we are basically before this honorable court.
You have no problem? Your matter is pending before Justice Dindo and me, or was it transferred by?
No, it was transferred to full bench, my lord.
We'll call for affidavits and place it before the full bench.
My lord, my prayer will be, my lord, let it be kept separate, my lord, this, my lord, because many other issues, my lord, even the illegal coal extraction, my lord, we want to show it here, my lord.
Very good. This is a further public interest litigation. This is a further petition filed in public interest by the petitioner pertaining to illegal mining of coal and illegal transportation of the coal in the state. The petitioner has focused on what is alleged to be the lack of records evidencing complicity of the state with persons seeking to export the illegally mined coal in the state by claiming it to have been obtained from elsewhere. Full stop. The petitioner says that one of the key players, Jaimata,
JAMA Private Coal Limited, my lord.
Jaimata Private Coal Private Limited,
And Vaishno Devi Traders.
is again involved in the sense that the persons in control of such company have another company by the name of Vaishno Devi
Traders Private Limited.
Traders Private Limited, a name which came up even in the previous litigation, through which the illegal export activities are carried out. According to the petitioner, more than 700 trucks ought to have been involved in carrying, in ferrying about 1.70 lakh metric ton.
No, that was by JAMA, my lord. Now, Vaishno Devi is 445 trucks.
Yes. That more than 440 trucks
445.
should have been involved in ferrying how much coal?
5,340 metric ton.
5340 metric ton of coal
From East Jaintia Hills, my lord. From East Jaintia Hills.
from East Jaintia Hills land custom stations.
No, my lord, it is a depot. They have shown that they have...
From East Jaintia Hills, but query is raised under the Right to Information Act 2005 reveal that no records in such regard are available with the state officials. Full stop. The petitioner claims that in accordance with law, such record should have been maintained and the state was liable to produce them or furnish information in such regard, when sought. Full stop. The petitioner further claims that the truck should have been weighed along the way, at least in one of the weighbridges, before being allowed to pass, and records of such trucks at the relevant weighbridges should also have been available. Full stop. The petitioner's queries under the RTI Act have resulted in the relevant officials claiming that there are no records to such effect. Full stop. Paragraph. This calls for an explanation. The state will respond to the allegations leveled in the petition by way of an affidavit to be filed by the secretary in the what would be industries
Transport, my lord.
secretary in the transport department, dealing with all the secretary in the transport department. Full stop. Such affidavit should be filed within 3 weeks from date. Paragraph. Since one of us, bracket Bhattacharya J, is not inclined to take up this matter, let this matter appear before any other division bench.
My lord, I will take steps on respondent number 6, 7, and 8. My lord, I will take steps.
Paragraph.
I'm appearing for 1 to 5.
That copies of the petition be served on the respondent number 6, 7, and 8 with the direction on such respondents. With the direction on such respondents to file their affidavits when the matter appears next 3 weeks hence. Paragraph. It is recorded that no prima facie view has even been taken at this stage, semicolon, but since some allegations have been leveled, an explanation has been sought.
From the main list, item number 1.
May it please, Lordship. Lordship, in this matter, judgment on petition for revocation of probate is still awaited with
Very
the
well.
Calcutta High Court.
Despite several adjournments, it appears that the relevant judgment has not yet been delivered by the bench which heard the application for revocation of probate in the Calcutta High Court. Paragraph. Let the matter appear a further 4 weeks hence.
Obliged, Lordship.
Item number 2.
A detailed affidavit is awaited, my lord. State is yet to file your affidavit.
What is this matter about?
It's about scarcity of water, my lord.
My lord, I pray for some more time. My
You
lord.
have no problem. This matter. Okay. Yes,
My lord, I pray for some more
you are
time.
appealing for the state.
My lord,
Why some more time? Now there has been some rain.
My lord, affidavit in fact,
Records have been washed away by the rain.
my lord, the affidavit, my lord, actually was prepared, but there were some point missing, my lord, so we have
Very
come
well.
back.
At the request of the state, let the matter stand over for 10 days. The state's affidavit should be filed in course of this week and copies served on the other parties.
Even the municipal may be directed to file the affidavit. They have also a big role to play, my lord.
Who?
Municipal, my lord. Municipality board.
The state and the municipalities affidavits. All right?
My lord, in the last order, my lord has reflected about district council. District council is not a party if they can be impleaded.
Let us
District council has nothing to do with the
Let us
water.
see, your preliminary, if there's any problem with the district council, we'll address that later. This is not adversarial.
Right.
So therefore,
Obliged.
Item number 3,